Android phone users are going to be in love with this particular update I'm about to share with you right now. Guess what? I'm about to share with you guys update on how Android phone users can be able to access the internet totally free. Right now, stick around with me. Do not skip any part of this video because every part is very, very important. I'm not going to be wasting your time. Before we dive into this, do well to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that. If you are new to my channel, I make videos around crypto, airdrop, how to make money online, and a lot of technologically inclined update that's going to be helping you benefit a lot. So on this particular video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can be able to access the internet using an Android device. All right, so we have a Telegram channel where I post updates every single day. Check out the link on the video description box and also on the comment section to join our Telegram where we post updates every single time. All right, so without wasting time, I'm going to be diving in using my Android device right now to show you guys how you can be able to access the internet totally free. Now, before I do that, guys, I was introduced to this by a friend, and I think it's nice if I share it with my community, and that is what I'm about to do right now. So without wasting time, stick around. Let's now find out together. And the first thing that I need to do right now is, of course, put my phone to airplane mode. You all know what happens when phone is on airplane mode. Okay, so right now what I need to do is that I will scroll down like this, then I will click on this airplane mode button to put my phone on airplane mode. Right, I will then go back like this. And once I'm back like this, the next thing that I need to do right now is, of course, to go and dial this number. I will click on the the dialer, and I will dial this number *#4636 4636 #***. Now, picture that number very well. I made a mistake right here, but you have seen the correct number. Picture it very well. After dialing *#*4636 #*#*, you are going to be brought right here that we have testing. Right, you can see testing right now. What I need you to click from here is to click on phone information. Now, once you have clicked on phone information, then this is what you need to do. Now, you can see this mobile radio power. Click on it and turn it on. Now, once you turn it on, you can see right now this is what we have right here. You can see we have data network type to be LTE. That is 5G network. That is 5G network. So right now, without wasting time, let's now go ahead and try out to see if this works or not. Okay, so when I go back like this, I will open my Facebook. This is my Facebook right here. I have two Facebook. I will open this one. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. I will open this, and right now you can see our page just refreshed right now. As you can see, it's right here. So when I scroll up, you can see it's loading, and when you look up here, you can see this button, this green something right here. It shows that this is a live page. Now try this out. Just like I said, this works on some phone while it does not work on some phone. So if you are using an Android device, try this method out and tell me on the comment section if it works or not. If it does not work, let me know on the comment section, and I will tell you what you need to press for you to get it started. Now, sometimes Facebook opens a page without even having to load it. Now, this is what I will test right now. I will test maybe something like Google to see if this works. So I will click on this, then I will search for my Google. Okay, this is my Google. So right now, let me try it with Google to see if it works. Okay, now I will type in something like maybe YouTube. Okay, I will search for it. Let's see if this opens up, and it just opened up right now. Now listen attentively. Let me show you what happens after a couple of times. Now, after a couple of time, maybe some hours, probably 5 or 6, this may stop working. But what do you need to do from there? What you need to do from there is simply wait. After maybe the next day, you can try it out again. Okay, so a friend introduced me to this, and I think it's absolutely nice because it saves you when you don't have data, okay, to browse the internet. So this is basically how it works. Okay, right now let me just go ahead and open the YouTube entirely. Okay, let's see if it actually works. Right, you can see YouTube is opening correctly. Okay, you can see it is opening very, very well. Now let me scroll down my screen of my phone. Let me show you guys something right here real quick. Okay, now okay, you can see we got a message right here saying your phone is on offline mode. I will still go ahead and disregard this. It says no connection, no problem. When I click on this video, let's see if it plays or not. Okay, no internet connection. I will retry. Okay, it actually fluctuates. You can see we are now back online. It fluctuates literally now. Okay, now when I click on the video again, let's see if
Oh, if you
and I think it's working. Oh, sorry. Because of copyright, these people, I don't know. I will go back like this, and basically this is what you need to press right now to actually get to find out if your phone can be able to browse completely free or not. I'm going to be stopping the video right now because I don't want to bore you guys up. Thank you for watching the video. If you find it very informative, let me know your thoughts on the comment section, and if you find it very confusing, let me know on the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, share it, so that a lot of people out there will also get to benefit from this. All right, so thank you for watching, and I'll be stopping right here. I'll be speaking to you guys on the next update that I'm about to drop very soon. Thank you, and of course, do have a lovely day.